Barcelona is known for its rooftop gardens, so Jerome is taking me to his friend Chris's place for a lesson in making paella on her terrace.
Okay.
Paella is a traditional Spanish meal full of the delicious flavours of garlic, olive oil, saffron and tomato, and it's a great summer dish. I've never made paella before.
No?
No, it's the first time. I've eaten it a lot, but never cooked it.
Oh, yeah. A new experience.
I don't think I've ever seen tomatoes being grated before.
It's typical. So
It's
here
typical,
in Barcelona,
yeah, it is.
pan con tomate, you know.
Yeah. Okay.
Le quitas toda la piel.
It gets rid of the skin, yeah. It's great. What do you know? It's the old Hare Krishna. Paella is a great dish for feeding a lot of people all at once.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good
it's
because
true.
just one dish and it's got seafood and vegetables and chicken and rice and these lovely grated tomatoes. It's a lot more exotic than the sausage and a bit of white bread. Start by stir-frying seafood and chicken till cooked through and golden, then remove from the pan and set aside. The weather in Barcelona every day I've been here has been clear blue skies, really sunny and really hot. So we make a party on the rooftop and the thunder arrives.
I got you an umbrella.
Oh, what a guy! Thank you, Jerome. But the good thing is, it's not cold enough yet for Jerome to put his shirt on. It's all good, isn't it? Now pour grated tomato and garlic into the pan. Look at this. Add rice and stir through. That's great. Then pour in hot stock for the rice to absorb.
Okay.
Yeah?
And now the saffron.
In goes the saffron. Look at the colour of that.
And now we must wait.
Oh, now we
About
must wait.
10 minutes.
Shall we have a sangria?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think?
Go and make some.
While Jerome gets the sangria ready, the paella will sit on a low heat and absorb the stock. Then we'll add the cooked chicken and seafood and we're away. Thanks for sticking out the thunderstorm with me. Really well. I'll dish up for us. Nice bit of ribbon on there.